Hey guys, these are 3.3 notes. So first we're going to fill in the blanks. When you have an equation with variables on both sides, that means when I got a y over here and a y over there, you need to follow the steps. And you kind of need to do them every time, just get in the habit. Distribute everything on the left side. Distribute everything on the right side. Combine the like terms on the left side. Combine the like terms on the right side. Move the variables to the left side of the equation and then solve it. So as we work through this, that'll make more sense. If you need to pause it and go back and do anything, don't hesitate to. All right. Step 1 and 2 says to distribute, but there are no parentheses in this first one, so I do not distribute. The next step says to combine like terms. Well, there's nothing to put with 7y. I can't put 3y and negative 36 together, so that means I don't do 3 and 4, so I start with step 5. I want to move this variable on the on the right side to be on the left. And how would I move a positive 3y? You keep the 3 and the y together and you move the whole thing as a group. Minus 3y. Now I have 4y equals negative 36. Well, now it's easy peasy. We divide by 4. Y equals negative 9. Let's look at this next one. There's nothing to distribute, so we skip steps 1 and 2. There's no terms to put together on the left side or the right side, so we skip steps 3 and 4. We go down to step 5. Move the variable from the left. Sorry, I said that wrong both times. From the right to the left. How do I move a minus 8x? Plus 8x. Goes away there. I have to put it with that negative 6. Negative 6 plus 8 is 2x plus 14 equals 12. All right, my goal is to get this x all alone. So I'm going to subtract 14. 2x equals negative 2. Divide by 2. X equals negative 1. All right, let's look at this next one. It's just like the last one. There's nothing to distribute, so we don't do steps 1 and 2. There's nothing to combine, so we don't do 3 and 4. We're going to start with step 5, which is moving that 3y to be with the 5y. 2y minus 8 equals 12. I'm going to add the 8 to both sides to get it to go away. Now I'm left with 2y equals 20. If I divide by 2, I'm left with 10. Okay, now it's getting a little tougher. I do have some things to distribute on the left side. This 3. 3 times 6 is 18p. 3 times negative 1 is minus 3. I'm just going to copy that 11p minus 45 down. So I distributed. There's nothing to combine on either side. So I'm going to go ahead and move that 11p over. Minus 11p. 18 minus 11 is 7p minus 3 equals negative 45. Now I need to get that 3 out of the way. So I can get the p alone. 7p. Negative 45 plus 3 is a negative 42. P is going to equal negative 6. All right, this next one, I'm going to do all the steps. First, I distribute. Step 1, distribute on the left. 8w minus 2. Step 2 is distribute on the right. Negative 10w plus 30 plus 4. The next step, I can't put anything together on the left, but I can put a 30 plus 4 old school baby math and get negative 10w plus 34. All right, and now I'm to step 5, which is move that negative 10. I'm going to move a minus 10 by adding 10w. That gives me 18w minus 2 equals 34. Let's add 2. 18w equals 36. Divide by 18. W equals 2. All right, last one. This one, we are going to do all 6 of the steps. So the first step is to distribute. Well, the first step is I'm going to add a 1 right here and a 1 right here and a 1 right there. Now I'm going to, now I'm going to distribute. So I just copy the 5x minus 1x plus 18 equals 6. I'm going to distribute this minus 2x minus 30. Now I need to look on the left side. I can put the 5x minus 1x and I get 4x plus 18. On this side, on the right, I can put the 6 minus 30, old school baby math. That would be 24 negative minus 2x. All right, so that was steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 is to move my variable. That gives me 6x plus 18 equals negative 24. All right, now I'm just doing what we've been doing. Subtract 18 on both sides. 6x equals negative 42. Divide by 6. X equals negative 7. All right, that was our video for the day. I need you to turn your paper over and do 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the back of your notes. Text me a picture of your notes. Text me a picture of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thank you.